Get ready to experience lightning-fast internet as we guide you through activating your new AT&T Fiber Optic service, step by step. First things first, let's unbox your AT&T Fiber Optic equipment. You'll find your new modem, a power cord, and likely an Ethernet cable. Make sure everything is present and accounted for. Now, locate a suitable spot for your modem. Ideally, it should be in a central location in your home. Connect the power cord to the modem, and then plug it into a wall outlet. The modem will begin powering up. You'll see some lights illuminate. Next, find the fiber optic cable. This is a thin, delicate cable. Gently connect one end to the designated port on your modem, usually labeled fiber, or indicated by a special symbol. Connect the other end to the fiber optic wall jack in your home. Ensure both connections are snug, but don't force them. Once powered on and connected, it's time to activate. Grab your smartphone or tablet and download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app from your device's app store. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to log in or create an account. Within the app, you'll be guided through the activation process. This usually involves selecting your new service and confirming your account details. The app will communicate with your modem to bring your new internet connection online. You'll know your activation is successful when the status lights on your modem indicate a stable internet connection. This might be a solid green light on the internet or online indicator. Congratulations, your AT&T Fiber Optic service is now live. You're now ready to enjoy blazing fast speeds for streaming, gaming, and all your online activities. If you encounter any issues, the AT&T Smart Home Manager app offers troubleshooting resources, or you can contact AT&T customer support.